So now we go to the question of, is that worth your money? Is a box worth $50? I don't know. So let's see what Fabfitfun is all about. Hey guys, what's up? It's Jacoby and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited to talk about something that I have recently discovered. I know I am super late on this trend, but I am going to be talking about Fabfitfun, and I'm so excited because the subscription box looks so cool. I've always been into subscription boxes, but like I've never had the money to buy them, or like monthly, I don't know, it just seemed like a lot, but now that I look more into it, it's actually like worth it. So let's see what Fabfitfun is all about. So here I am on my beautiful desktop. As you can see, that Fabfitfun has been featured in Bustle, CBS, Forbes, Los Angeles Times, and etc. So it's very reputable, okay? I'm making this video for people who are on the fence, because I'm still on the fence as well, because like I'm like, do I really want to spend $50 on a box? But like, it's worth it, honestly. So you have two options for membership. You can either do an annual membership or a seasonal membership. So annual is when you pay $179 off the bat for all of your boxes that year, or you can pay $49.99 seasonally for 4 boxes a year. So now we go to the question of, is that worth your money? Is a box worth $50? I don't know. So if you are on the fence about joining Fabfitfun, they have a cool thing called the starter box. You get one box that you can try out, and it's cheaper. It's gonna be $19.99 to see if you really want to take the jump and pay $49.99 for a full box. And this starter box comes with 3 to 4 full-size items, which is still really good in my opinion. So that's a great way to test it out and see if you really want to try it. Let's talk about shipping. Shipping is free, which is what really like got me, because I was just like, yeah, you know, $50. Shipping free? Okay, like, you know, I'm in. And plus, like, the packaging is also really cute, cool, and it also fits the season that it is coming out in. So honestly, my final consensus is that yes, you should go ahead and take the plunge and spend that $49.99 for this Fabfitfun box. All the products are nice, they're quality, and the price point is just amazing, and it's free shipping. You cannot beat that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one, and I will be signing up for this right now. Okay, goodbye.